Ken Sewing Center has been doing business with Famore Cutler now well over 20 years. Famore makes some of the best quality scissors and tools that you'll find on the market. They use high quality metals. These are particular scissors that can be resharpened. They're not just a one and done type thing. This is a set I was able to get inventory on and get a fantastic rebate on. I'm able to pass those savings on to you. This particular kit would retail right at $100, but I've got such a super buy on it. Let's talk about what each one of these tools are in this set. If you own a sewing machine, embroidery machine, serger, quilting machine, this will be a kit you'd want to have in your sewing room because it has some of the most popular scissors that all sewers of all types are going to be using. First thing I'm going to have is the 8-inch dressmaking shear. Now these are razor sharp. I can resharpen these. It has the tensioner on it here so that you can get the proper tension that you like to have, but these are going to cut all the way to the tip, and then when I dull them, and you're going to dull them as you use them, I can easily resharpen them. If your local sewing dealer doesn't sharpen scissors, Ken Sewing Center does. We also sell sharpeners that can help you with that if you want to sharpen your own, but it's going to take you a while to dull them, but these are going to be really easy for you to sharpen. They're really comfortable in my hand. I don't have huge hands for a man, but the rings here are plenty big enough for anybody to get their hands in where they need to and get the proper leverage, and with the tensioner, snip and cut several layers of fabric at a time. Another nice thing about this particular set is I can keep everything nice and neat and stored. I have these little elastic bands that are sewn in. And then the next tool that I'm going to have is my 6-inch straight trimming scissor. These are great for trimming fabric edges. Right along the edge, I keep everything straight, nice and neat. Perfect for snipping threads. If you need to just to trim little fabric, you quilters are really loving, dressmakers, garment sewers are really would love these. Again, this is another scissors that can be sharpened. I have the tensioner here as well. This one here is really comfortable in my hands with no problem whatsoever. I'm able to get to where I need to. They're not too heavy, not too gawky, and I'm able to do and snip what I need to snip. Then I'm going to have the angle tweezer. Now these are great for if you're working and needing to grab a hold of some thread, maybe some thread is calling your attention, or if your maintenance needs, they're spring loaded, so once I let off of it, it grabs a hold of whatever it is that I'm wanting to. It's going to have enough grip on it that's going to be able to easily pull threads out of the backside of needles. If you're getting lint built up out of your bobbin cases, maybe you have lint caught in your tensions, or if you ever wound a bobbin and wasn't paying attention and got thread wrapped around your bobbin spindle, it's going to help you get those threads out of those areas. And then I'm also going to get the surgical buttonhole ripper. This here can act as a seam ripper, but also if you're making buttonholes, it's going to actually cut the fabric in between that tight area of that buttonhole, because it's a surgical stainless steel blade here, and you can replace these blades. It's going to take you a long time to dull the blades on this one, but you're going to get all 4 pieces. I have a super buy on this particular set. This is a set that makes a great gift. It's going to last you for many years to come, and it comes all in its own little pouch. So once I get everything where I want it, I just zip everything up and I can put it in my sewing drawer, and I've got everything nice and neat and organized. So check it out on our website. Ken Sewing Center carries all the Famore products, and we'll be glad to help you with any scissor or tool that you have need of.